Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. So I had gone to my hometown and when I saw the matured nutmegs, I thought I'll share the difference between maize and nutmeg, also known as Javitri and Jaiphal for those who don't know about them. Nutmeg usually matures in July, August, which is monsoon season in Kerala. Once matured, the nutmeg fruit splits open naturally, exposing maize and the nut. So you remove the rind and take out the nutmeg along with the maize, and then you separate nutmeg from maize and dry it separately. For those who don't know, maize and nutmeg are two different spices obtained from the same plant. The rind is not consumed raw, but my grandmother used to make jams, squashes, jellies and wines with the rind. Once you separate the Javitri and Jaiphal, it is shade dried, and once dried, this is how the maize looks like. And to get the nutmeg, you need to break open the shell. I really love to use both of them when making pulav and biryani. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.